In this video, we're going to go ahead and show you how to replace a driver's side taillight located on the driver's side rear quarter. The process for this is the same as the passenger side. Now once you have your trunk lid open, you want to go ahead and access this wing nut right here. It's a plastic wing nut. Go ahead and spin that counterclockwise. Spin that off. Now you want to go ahead and grab that carpet liner right here. Go ahead and peel that back and pop that down. Now on the back side here, you're going to find two more of those plastic wing nuts. Let's go ahead and loosen those and remove those. We'll start with the top one first. Spin off that bottom one. We'll go ahead and grab that taillight, pull it straight away from the body. On the back side right here, it's going to be a little red locking clip. Basically going to push that over. It's going to allow you to push down on this little tab and disconnect this here. It's going to allow you to go ahead and remove the entire taillight. Take that harness on the back, you want to press that in, snap that in, and don't forget to lock that red lock tab. Press it over. Go ahead, insert this back into the body, lining up the studs in the holes in the body. With the taillight back in place, you can go ahead and take those plastic wing nuts and get these installed. We're going to install our lower one first, spin that on and bottom it out. Let's go ahead and get our upper one installed. Go ahead and bring our trunk liner back into place. And then take your wing nut here, install that. Snug it down, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.